MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. Today we're standing beside a 2016 Harris 240 Cruiser. This is a freshwater boat. It is here under brokerage, and you'll notice it's freshwater because it has a painted steel trailer, which if you're living down here in the salt water, you might want to switch out. As we walk around the back, this is powered by a Mercury 150 motor that has 160 hours on it. So let's step aboard and I'll show you around. And as we step aboard the Harris 240, you'll notice that all of the cushions are hinged so that as you're driving down the road, you don't have to worry about them blowing off. We got the pillow top with quilted fabric sewn in. And as we walk back this direction, this one has a Hulk audio stereo with speakers, all of your gauges, 2 captain's chairs, and then you've got the same seating in the back. All of them are hinged. Then we got a table with 4 cup holders, and then this one comes with a black bimini. So basically that's it in a nutshell. This is Brad Young at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. My phone number is 850-420-1802. Give me a call and we'll take it for a ride.